In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can import SIM card contacts to your phone. Importing SIM card contacts to your iPhone is crucial for ensuring data continuity and convenience, as it allows you to seamlessly transfer all your contacts from SIM card to your iPhone storage. To do this, simply head into your phone settings. On the settings page, scroll down onto the option of contacts. On this page, you will then click on this option of import SIM contacts. Select on my iPhone since that's the destination where you want to import all your contacts to. When selected, all your contacts will get copied to your iPhone storage space. They won't get deleted from your SIM card, but just a copy of all your contacts will get saved to your iPhone storage. That's how easy it is to import contacts on iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.